All right, guys. So now that you are experts at multiplication, it's time to start understanding the true meaning of multiplication through word problems. So instead of solving word problems today, we're actually going to create multiplication word problems. And we're going to do that using some models here. And we know that multiplication means repeated addition. And so what we're going to do is we're going to look at the repeated addition that I'm giving you. And you can see in this case that I am repeating the number 48 three times. And so I want to think of a real life situation, a word problem that would give a situation where there is 48 of something three times. And I want to figure out, based on this question mark, how many that would be altogether. So my first thought process is, what do I have 48 of that I would have it repeating three times? So I'm kind of thinking, my kids were just eating Oreos a minute ago. And let's just say that in one pack of Oreos, like in this pack of Oreos, there's 48 Oreos. And so maybe instead of having one pack of Oreos, I bought three packs of Oreos. And I want to know how many Oreos that would be altogether. So, here's my three packs of Oreos. Each pack has 48 in it. And so then, of course, I want to figure out how many that is altogether. And so my word problem has to kind of relay that story. The word problem should both give the information and ask a question. So the information I'm going to say is each pack of Oreo cookies has 48 cookies. So I'm showing that there. Or how about I spell Oreo correctly? Oreo cookies has 48 cookies. I bought three packs of Oreos. So that right there is explaining the image. Each pack of Oreo cookies is 48 cookies. I bought three packs of 48. So my question is simply going to be, how many cookies do I have in all? Question mark. I'm going to have the situation and the question. So now I'm going to create a number sentence. And a number sentence is simply what I see up here. So in this case, I could do a number sentence of 48 plus 48 plus 48 equals whatever it equals. But since we're working with multiplication, I want to make sure I'm giving a multiplication number sentence. In fact, that's what I'm expecting, obviously, here. So this is going to be 48 times 3 equals. So that's going to be my number sentence. And I am going to fill that answer in. So what you guys are going to then do is on paper pencil, you guys are going to do the problem and you're going to set it up 48 times 3. Use whatever strategy you want to use. I'm going to do some quick math here. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry the 2. I get 144. So I'm going to take that answer in right there in my number sentence. My final step is to go back to the question. And we're going to go ahead and answer this question in a complete sentence using what I call QPA. The question is part of the answer. So if it says, how many cookies do I have in all? I'm going to use some of those words in my answer. I'm going to say, in all, I have 144 cookies, period. All right. That is what you guys are going to do. And what you're going to do is go through and you will see I have different pictures that represent different multiplication number sentences and different situations where you can come up with some word problems. You'll obviously use scrap paper to do the actual multiplication for the number sentence part. If you have any questions, rewatch this video and rewatch this example. Enjoy, be creative. I cannot wait to see your word problems.